Are you tired of your Discord messages getting lost in a wall of plain text? Learn how to make big, medium, and small headings in under 4 minutes. First, open Discord. Then we'll cover the exact hashtag formula for each heading and how to keep them on separate lines. To get started, go ahead and open Discord. For a big heading, type one hashtag right at the beginning of a line, followed by a space and then your text. Then, for a medium heading, it's the same deal but with 2 hashtags. And for a small heading, just use 3 hashtags. Make sure your heading tags sit at the very start of a new line with a space after, and separate each heading using Shift plus Enter. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.